Read the question properly at first now. What's the question telling? Using a compass, draw circles with the following radius. Draw circles. So what's that mean? Using a compass. Compass এর সাহায্য নাও, draw circles, বৃত্ত আঁকো with the following radius. What is the ব্যাসার্ধ? Okay.
এটা মানে এটা রেডিয়াস না?
Yes. So what the question telling is the radius. So when the question telling it is a radius, so what should we do at first? We have to do the divide. So when the question is telling is the radius, what should we do at first? Divide. Divide with the 2. So divide with 2. So 5.8 divided by 2. What's the answer? Answer is 2.9. Then you draw a lines of 2.9 with your ruler. Okay. Then you take the measures of your compass and draw the circles. Then you label the names like the centers, diameters, radius, chord and the circumference. Okay. Understood? So all of are wrong. Okay. So draw once again. What is this? Shit. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter are.
টুগুলো তো ঠিক হবে, আগেরগুলো তাহলে ঠিক হবে।
Yes, but these are the wrong. These are the wrong. What's the question telling? At first read the question properly. Okay, what's the question telling? Find the radius of the circle whose diameter are. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter are.
এই ডায়ামিটারটা
মানে রেডিয়াসটা বের করতে হবে যে ডায়ামিটার দিয়েছে। So when we take out the radius, we have to divide with 2. So at first you divide with 2, then you draw the circles and so on. You know that. Okay. So these are your correct and these are your wrong. So you have to draw once again. Do now.
কিন্তু আমি আগে করেছি ওটা শুধু আগেরটা ডিভাইড করেছিলাম, পরেরটা তো ডিভাইড।
No. What is the question telling? Find the radius. Radius বের করো and the circle whose diameter. ডায়ামিটারটাকে ভেঙে রেডিয়াস বের করো দেন। আর এই রেডিয়াস দেওয়া আছে, আমাকে এটাকে কি করতে হবে? কম্পাস আছে বানাতে হবে। ওকে। হ্যাঁ? Yes. And you know that the radius of a circle is 5.3, so what is the diameter? Okay. And what is the question telling in the number 6? Define the following terms. Define the following terms. So what is the radius? What is the radius? See, here is your answer. Distance between center and circumference is called a radius of a circle. It is denoted by R. It is a short form of a radius. R is a short form of a radius. So what is the radius? Distance between center and circumference is called a radius of a circle. মানে বৃত্তের একটা বিন্দু থেকে যে এবং তার পরিধি পর্যন্ত যে একটা সরলরেখা অঙ্কন করা হয় সেটাকে আমরা বলছি রেডিয়াস। ওকে। And number second is diameter. What is the diameter? And the diameter, short form of diameter is D. Okay. The line segment touches both sides. The line segment touches both sides. So we have to know the long line which touches the both side, means left side and the right side.
মানে একটা লম্বা লাইন যেটা
Yes.
দুটো সাইড
A line which touch the both side. One is right side and another is left side. So it is called a diameter. Okay. And circumference and passing through the center O. It is called diameter of a circle. It is denoted by D. And what is the circumference? Circumference or the perimeter, both are the same. But when we draw the circles and when we take out the circle and when we telling about the circle, it's not a we not write the perimeter. We write the circumference. We write the circumference. Okay. So what is circumference? The length of the boundary of the circle is called a circumference. The length of a boundary means বৃত্তের যে পরিধিটা, বৃত্তের যে গোলটা, মানে যেটাতে বৃত্তটা আঁকা রয়েছে, সেটাকে আমরা কি বলছি? সার্কামফারেন্স। ওকে, ইয়েস, ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? Okay, now you draw the number 4, what I told you, and do it first because you know I have another class, I have to go there, so don't be late and do it first. I draw neat and clean, and at first you put the number, put the exercise and write the correct number, then you draw. What happened?
না না ঠিক আছে।
What I told you on yesterday, Ronnie, ki say in English now. If you have any problem, I will help you. But you don't try to yourself to talk to in English. So how should I help you?